Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out at this house. We have not done this house since before COVID, so it's been a while. It's extremely dirty. A lot of it's dirt, a little bit of mold. Mold on this side. Most of it's just dirt from like this right here where there's no grass and the wind spins up and just blows it and slams it onto the vinyl. So I'm actually increasing my soap just a little bit to help lift that dirt, and I'm actually going to use some pressure, which I usually don't have to, more than ball valve pressure. I'm going to turn my machine down so I have less pressure, but I'm going to use a white tip, and I'm going to get as close as I can to help push that dirt off without having to do any damage. So it's a fine line of distance, but that's what we're doing today. We're getting this house back into shape. Been a lot of years, but when we get done, it's gonna look new again. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.